Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Feedly offline reading not working on mobile. So if the offline reading isn't working in your app on your mobile, it's usually due to sync issues, storage limits, or app settings. So actually guys, first you will need to check the Feedly plan and features. So the offline reading requires Feedly Pro Plus or above. So the free plan has no offline sync. So you will need at first to upgrade or confirm that your plan allows offline access, and then you will need to make sure that the articles are synced. So the offline mode only works for content downloaded before going offline. Okay, so open Feedly while online and then just go with the three lines that's located bottom left corner, and after that go and scroll on the left side bar and tap on settings. Okay, so right here, as I told you, if you have a subscription, you will be able to see an option. It says offline reading and sync. So just tap download and sync feeds. Okay, so select it, and if that's not the case, you will need to check the storage space. So Feedly needs enough storage to catch articles and images, so you will need to free up the phone storage. Go with your phone's settings, look for the storage that you can find on the general option. It's the first one right now on my screen. Tap it and then go with iPhone storage, and right here you will need to make sure that you have at least 1 to 2 gigabytes free. If not, go ahead and delete the unused apps and also the unused photos and videos and files, and make sure the Feedly has permission to use storage. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.